Notion might seem a bit overwhelming at first, but with just a few steps, you'll see how it can completely simplify your life. Whether you're looking to organize your tasks, manage a project, or just keep track of your notes, Notion's got you covered. Today, let's break down some essential steps to get you started with Notion as a productivity tool. The first thing you'll want to do is create a page. In Notion, a page is like a blank canvas. You can start by creating a personal dashboard, a to-do list, or even a place to track your goals. Just click Add a Page in the sidebar, give it a name, and think of it as your productivity hub. This page will become the foundation for all your planning and organizing. One of the simplest ways to start in Notion is with a to-do list. Click on your new page, then type /to-do to create a checklist. It's as easy as typing out each task. For example, list down things like morning workout, reply to emails, or finish reading. As you check things off, it's incredibly satisfying to see your list get smaller. If you have deadlines or specific dates to keep track of, creating a calendar is super helpful. Just type /calendar on a new line in your page to add a calendar view. Now you can set up tasks and events on specific dates, like project deadlines or meeting reminders. This is a great way to visualize your week or month and keep everything in one place. Notion's databases are powerful, but you don't need to be a tech wizard to use them. Think of databases as tables that can store information in rows and columns. For example, create a project tracker with columns for the project name, status, and deadline. You can then view this information in different ways, like a board or a list, to keep tabs on your projects effortlessly. One feature beginners love is the ability to create subpages. This keeps your main dashboard clean while giving you access to more detailed pages. Say you want to add a page for work projects and another for personal goals. You can create these as subpages within your main page and add all the related info there. It's like having folders within folders, keeping your dashboard clutter-free. Notion comes with a bunch of templates that are ready-made for different types of work. Click on Templates from the sidebar, and you'll find options for task management, journaling, reading lists, and more. Just select one, and it will automatically load a full setup you can start using right away. The key to making Notion work is consistency. Set aside a few minutes every day to update your pages. Check off tasks, add new ones, and take a moment to review your calendar. Over time, it becomes second nature, and Notion starts to feel like an extension of your brain. And that's it, those are the basics to get you started. With just a few clicks, Notion transforms from a blank page into a productivity powerhouse. So give it a try, experiment, and make it work for you. Before you know it, you'll be managing tasks, projects, and ideas like a pro.